Now, looking at the front end here, it comes with two options, either a multi-purpose bucket or a general purpose bucket. This is a 1.0 cubic meter multi-purpose bucket. It had an option where you can attach roll-on, roll-off forks. You can use it for your material handling on site. The multi-purpose bucket has bolt-on teeth here. The base edge here can be folded upwards. You can open it and tilt it, and the base of the bucket can be used for leveling. With all these features introduced, it was built with the customer in mind. Caterpillar 426 F2. Let's do the work.